Portugal, about 150 million years ago. The landscape of Jurassic Portugal was characterized by fern savannas and lush, wooded floodplains. Furthermore, the existence of tidal bore deposits indicates a coastal environment. Ceratosaurus, carnivorous theropod. The most notable characteristic of Ceratosaurus is its three prominent horns, one located on its snout and two positioned above its eyes. Initially, it was thought that these horns served as formidable weapons for attacking herbivorous prey or competing rivals. However, recent research has indicated that the horns were too blunt and delicate to function effectively as weapons, suggesting instead that they were primarily ornamental features used for attracting potential mates. Ceratosaurus is classified as a sizable carnivorous dinosaur. Its minimum recorded length ranges from 16 to 20 feet, with an estimated weight of approximately 2,200 pounds. However, isolated fossil evidence suggests the existence of significantly larger specimens, potentially measuring between 23 and 26 feet in length and weighing between 3,300 and 4,400 pounds. The shorter skull in this morph would have reduced bending moments occurring during biting, thus increased bite force, comparable to the condition seen in cats. Ceratosaurus fossils have been found in the United States, but more specifically Colorado, Utah, and Wyoming, as well as Portugal. The name Ceratosaurus translates to horned lizard. This dinosaur received its name due to the presence of a series of sharp horns on its head, as well as a line of small, bony armor plates extending along its back. Ceratosaurus is distinguished by its exceptionally long and slender teeth located in the upper jaw. These teeth could exceed 9 centimeters in length, approaching the depth of the lower jaw, which meant they would nearly protrude beyond it when the mouth was closed. The exact reason for the length of these teeth remains uncertain. However, it is possible that they enabled the creature to deliver deep, slashing injuries to its prey. In the early Mesozoic era, all land masses formed the supercontinent Pangaea. Around 150 million years ago, Pangaea began to break apart, creating the Atlantic Ocean as North America and Europe separated. Fluctuating sea levels later allowed dinosaurs like Stegosaurus to migrate to Europe. Miragaia, herbivorous stegosaurid. Miragaia was a strange European stegosaur. At around 16 to 20 feet in length and weighing over a ton, it was also quite large. Miragaia had a long neck compared to most stegosaurs. Along with its longer than average neck, Miragaia was also covered in spines and plates. Miragaia fossils have been found in Portugal in the province of Area Metropolitana de Lisboa. The generic name pertains to the village of Miragaia, while simultaneously alluding to the Latin term, Mira, meaning wonderful, and Gaia, the deity representing the earth. The specific name translates to long neck, derived from the Latin words longus, meaning long, and column, meaning neck. The precise explanation for the length of Miragaia's neck remains largely enigmatic. Furthermore, it is noteworthy that during the late Jurassic period, Miragaia cohabited with sauropods, which were characterized by their remarkably elongated necks. This suggests that Miragaia may have been undergoing evolutionary changes to compete with its sauropod counterparts. The Ceratosaurus has spotted the Miragaia herd and waits to attack. The Ceratosaurus is thought to employ a more direct hunting strategy. In this approach, the ceratosaur does not engage in hiding or stalking, rather, it targets larger prey and maneuvers to corner it effectively. Once the prey is trapped, the Ceratosaurus confronts it directly, leading to a physical confrontation. In this situation, the outcome of the hunt is influenced by the Ceratosaurus's weight, sheer strength, and courage. The miragaia group tries to run away, but the hungry Ceratosaurus manages to hunt them down and isolate a young male miragaia. The miragaia male possesses considerable strength, making it difficult for the Ceratosaurs to achieve victory. Therefore, the Ceratosaurs need to seek out more suitable prey. Found one.
But do they want to fight? For some, it is...
The Ceratosaur's decision to change prey might have been its saving grace, as unlike the corpse of the miragaia, the Ceratosaurs will live to see another day.